Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're stepping into the world of ultimate automotive luxury with the 2024 Mercedes Maybach S-Class. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling palace, a statement piece that redefines the concept of opulence. So buckle up and let's explore what makes the Maybach such an extraordinary machine. Design. The 2024 Maybach S-Class retains the elegant silhouette of the S-Class, but with subtle tweaks that scream exclusivity. The elongated wheelbase creates a truly imposing presence on the road, while the chrome accents and signature Maybach grille add a touch of grandeur. The design is both timeless and sophisticated, showcasing the pinnacle of automotive design. Interior. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a world of unparalleled craftsmanship. The finest leathers, meticulously stitched wood veneers, and bespoke details create an atmosphere of pure luxury. The rear seats are the true centerpiece, offering an airline-style first-class experience. They're electronically adjustable, heated, cooled, and come with massaging functions to ensure ultimate comfort on any journey. Technology plays a subtle yet significant role in the Maybach. The infotainment system is intuitive and seamlessly integrated, offering all the features you'd expect in a car of this caliber. Multiple screens keep rear passengers entertained, while advanced climate control ensures everyone maintains their ideal temperature. Performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Maybach boasts a range of powerful engine options. The most popular choice is likely to be the silky smooth V12, delivering effortless power and refinement. However, for those seeking a more environmentally conscious option, a plug-in hybrid variant is also available. The Maybach prioritizes a serene driving experience above all else. The air suspension delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, while advanced soundproofing technology ensures a peaceful cabin environment. It's a car designed to whisk you away in absolute comfort. Unique selling points. The 2024 Maybach S-Class's biggest selling point is its position as the ultimate luxury sedan. It offers an unparalleled level of craftsmanship, comfort, and technology, catering to the most discerning clientele. The focus on bespoke customization allows owners to create a Maybach that truly reflects their individual taste and preferences. Another unique feature is the available Executive Rear Seat Plus package. This option transforms the rear passenger compartment into a luxurious workspace, complete with reclining seats, fold-out tables, and even a refrigerator.